So, good evening. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training and welcome to Core and Advanced Python online batch. So, the title of the course is Core and Advanced Python, and there is no prerequisite for this, nothing is required. So, just you need some kind of concentration and you need practice, and you have to watch the videos at least minimum one time, okay, to get more confident on programming tools. So next, the duration of this batch is a total 40 hours we are going to spend, sir, to learn this complete Python. 40 hours is more than sufficient, and the timings of this batch is at 6 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday. The classes will be there at 6 p.m. So tomorrow there is no class, and Sunday also we don't have any class. The next class will be on Monday, sir. Okay, and almost we are at a third demo. Another one or two demos will be there Monday and Tuesday, you may expect. And from Wednesday onwards, the regular classes, that means payment classes, are going to be started. And the fees for this batch is rupees 5,000. And these are the demo links, I mean already recorded videos we have. Okay, so just you can able to cross check. Yes, correct, Chandra. I shared one link there in chat window. It is a YouTube link. You can paste that link on the browser so that you can able to view what we discussed in the previous class. And coming to the syllabus, that entire syllabus of this Python is divided into 25 chapters. Chapter by chapter we are going to discuss. Of course, I won't mention the chapter name. You can refer it later, but every topic which I have included will be there. And yesterday we have seen introduction to Python also. So who introduced Python and some important points about the Python, and from where we can download Python software. If you want to view what are the latest tools are available in Python software, everything you can able to open in Python official website and you can check. So what is the Python official website? https colon double slash, so www.python.org is the official website. And even we had a discussion about the companies which are using Python software. So almost all the companies are using Python. So even we have seen one image also in the last video. So in that, top companies are these five, sir: Google, YouTube, NASA, Dropbox, Netflix. I think you know about these companies. Okay, and which softwares are required to work with Python? Sir, we need an editor, and we have to go with the Python latest version, that is 3.10. And we can use Python IDE like Sublime Text or PyCharm or Spider, anything you can use. And Notepad or Notepad plus plus or Edit plus, anything you can use, sir. Okay, and preferably try to use Edit plus, because syntax highlightation will be there. If you select a Java program, it will identify the keywords and it will mark in blue color. If you take predefined tools, it will be marked in red color. Okay, like this. So we have some flexibility is there with respect to this Edit plus. That's why it is highly recommended to use this Edit plus. So how to write a simple program? We have seen, write a program to print hello Prakash on the screen, and then by using which tool? Notepad and command prompt. Sir, I explained very clearly about the program creation and steps to execute that Python program also we have seen. I have Mac. Edit plus does not work on Mac. What I can do? I think so it is there. No, is it work only for Windows? Let me check. You can go with any other editor, no problem. Yeah, I will suggest you. Maybe in the next video, I will give clarity. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Let me check. Yes, maybe it is support only for, I think so it will be available only for Windows. Yeah. Okay, no issues. Okay, no problem. We can use any other editor, need not be this one. Okay, don't worry, I will suggest you in the next class which best editor you can use. Notepad plus plus try to use, I think definitely it won't be supported, I think so. Okay, I will give any other editor for Mac. Better I will select a cross platform editor and then I will show. Okay, yeah. So next program, write a Python program to print some message by using edit plus. So how you can able to type the program in edit plus and how you can able to work, we have seen. And if I want to execute a small code snippets, how you can able to work, that part also we have seen. Python IDLE support is there. Okay, Python IDLE support is there. Okay, and even we have seen how to execute a Python program on that. And sir, what kind of approach Python is going to follow? We can say Python is all rounder. We can prepare scripting level applications in Python, functional programming approaches also we can do, object oriented programming also we can do in Python. So in our chapter, almost chapter 1 to sir chapter 12, we are going to talk about scripting only. We will write a small scripts and then we will execute it. And from 13 onwards, we are going to work with functional programming. And somewhere in 18th chapter, we are going to talk about object oriented programming. Okay, so don't worry, I will take one common program, how you can able to do that program in scripting, and how to implement that program in functional programming, how you can able to do that in object oriented programming. All these things I will cover in today's session. And the total, how many versions of Python are there? Sir, there are 3 versions are there. Anyway, Python 1 and Python 2 we are not using. Python 3.x is the stable version, and the current version is also Python 3.x, sir. And we have Python 3.1 to 3.10 is there. This is nothing but the latest version. Okay, and what is the difference between versions also I explained in the last video. So this one is introduced in 3.8 ISQRT. Previous to that, this method is not there, like that we have seen. Then sir, why the name Python came? Okay, majority of people may have a doubt. So why the name Python? Okay, anyone, can you please guess? So why this name Python came for this programming language? Any idea? Yes, please. Very good, Jadhav, correct. So there is one popular circus show is there. Yes, there is one popular circus show is there. So I have that screenshot also, just to have a look once. So this is nothing but that circus, sir. What is a circus? The complete Monty Python's flying circus, which is very popular in olden days. One more image is also there. Let's have a look. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Season 2, season 3, like that we have. So Monty Python's flying circus, it is a comedy show, sir. It is a comedy show. Okay, so the name was selected from a popular comedy show. Okay, is nothing but the complete Monty's Python flying circus. So which was telecasted in BBC, which was telecasted in BBC almost in 1970s, sir. Okay, at the time this was a popular show. So this Gudio is a bit interested towards this show. That's why he extracted the word called Python and he kept for his programming language. Beyond that, there is no hidden story for that. But majority of the people are going to feel it is a snake name. It is a snake name. No, sir, just we have to use this Python. I mean, how this Python name came is nothing but from this popular show, we got this name. Beyond that, nothing is there. Okay, sir, now I want to work with the basic programming now. So let me take addition of two numbers. So write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers, a basic program, right? Sir, by using scripting and functional programming. So of course I am not covering any object oriented tools here, just addition program in two ways. So what is the advantage? You will get it. Have a look once. How to prepare the Python program. If anyone is new, please try to observe. We have to go to file and select others. Here we need to select Python. Okay. So here we have to take some variable value. A is equal to, let us take 10, and B is equal to, let us take 20. Now I want to perform A plus B, which is going to calculate addition of two numbers. What is the first step? We have to save the file, sir. Any name you can take. Let us take, my file name is nothing but a friday.py. Like this I am taking. This is my code. So friday.py, this is nothing but my code. Sir, it is a scripting because there is no proper format, right? Directly we have written, there is no proper format. So A value is equal to 10, B value is equal to 20, and the print of A plus B, just it is adding A value plus B value. Beyond that, nothing is there. Okay. Sir, let us see how we can able to execute this program. Sir, somewhere in the last videos I covered, we have to open the command prompt if you want to execute the Python program. So cd backslash. So what is the purpose of this cd backslash? Which is used to come out from all the directives. Okay, which is used to come out from all the directives. Then cd space Prakash classes I am taking because we are in this folder. Okay, we are in this folder because in this folder only we have developed the programs, right? We have saved our program in this only. Sir, now I need to take py space test.py. Sorry, our file name is not a test. Our file name is so friday.py. Once if you press enter key, then it is going to display addition of those two values. What is the first value that we have given? 10. What is the second value that we have given? Sir, 20. 10 plus 20 will become 30. So immediately we are getting the result. This is nothing but how you can able to implement addition of two numbers program by using scripting approach. Scripting approach means sequentially you can write the code. Sir, I want to do the same program by using functional programming. What advantage we are going to get? So now please concentrate here. Sir, I will define, okay, I can call like this, add of, can you please add 10 and then 20? Sir, can you please add 11 and 22? Can you please add 99 and then, sir, 11? Can you please add 33 and then 11? Can you please add 55 and then 12, 22, like this? So if it is the previous program, how many times you can perform addition? Only one time. If the numbers are changing, again you need to rewrite the code. So which increases the length of the code. How many times you need to print this? Multiple times you have to take. Suppose if you want to perform addition 5 times, then 5 times you need to take A plus B. Suppose if you want to perform addition 100 times, how many times that A plus B formula you have to take? 100 times. That's why, sir, no need to do that. Simply define one predefined function called add. You have to define that function. So now what will happen? We will write add. We will take two values A comma B, and we will write some algorithm here which will take these two values, which will perform A plus B, and which will print the result. This is a code snippet what we have written. Sir, whenever you are calling like this, it will execute the block of the instructions what you have given. Again it will come to here. When you are calling add of 11 comma 2, again it will make a call and it will execute and it will return the result. Like that, for every function, for every call, this activity is going to be performed. Now, sir, how many times we are writing this formula a plus b? Only one time. But how many times we are executing? Depending on the number of requirements. So if you want to add addition of two numbers 100 times, how many lines of code is required? Only method call. But this a plus b one time activity. Okay, this approach is called as functional programming. So a value, b value, and simply a plus b is called as scripting. Sir, taking that operation inside some particular block is called as a functional programming. Array, can't we provide security for this a and b? Means it comes under object oriented programming, which we will discuss in our upcoming sessions. As of now, I don't want to make a confuse for you, so I'm not taking any oops concepts here. Okay. Sir, tell that add function program in dynamic way. Yeah, we will. Venkatesh, please. So here I'm going to define one function. So in different programming languages, we can write different logics, sir. Okay. So but functional approach here in Python is by using def keyword, you have to define the function. What name you have used for identification purpose? Add. So now I'm taking two values, let it be a comma b, and I'm printing, sir, addition. Okay, addition is equal to comma a plus b I am taking. That's all. Okay, so let us execute this code, sir. So addition is equal to 30, addition is equal to 33, addition is equal to 110, addition is equal to 44, addition is equal to 77. So is it a good programming approach or not? Yes. So we got some kind of code reusability concept. Sir, we defined only one time, but any number of times you can work. Okay. And yes, Shastri is telling one word, have a look once. Sir, I understood the difference between scripting, okay, functional programming, oops concepts clearly today. Okay, so definitely you people are going to get clarity and the differences between so one approach to another approach. Of course, the common approach only, sir. We are doing the task in all these things. The inputs whatever you are giving is the same, the output whatever we are getting is the same, but the way of implementing is different. Every way is having its own advantage as well as disadvantages. Okay. Sir, someone is asking, Venkateshwarlu, he is asking, can you please read the data dynamically? I think that is your requirement, right, Venkateshwarlu? Please confirm. And I request everyone, can you please confirm, is these two approaches are clear for you people? Is these two approaches are clear for you people? Please confirm. So let me take this program into somewhat complex level, sir. I want to take this program into somewhat complex level. Let me implement another version. So maybe I can take version 3, third version, how you can able to develop. So here I will ask the user, okay, while true. Sir, please don't get confused of these terminologies. Just try to understand. While true. While true means what? It is keep on repeating. Sir, a is equal to int of, I am asking the user, can you please enter a value? Sir, it is reading a value. B is equal to int of input, can you please ask b value? Enter b value. Don't worry about the syntaxes, we will discuss later. Sir, if you have given a and b value, I am calling add function by passing a comma b. Okay. Then, sir, next term, I want to ask a question for the user. So your question is nothing but input of, so do you want to continue? Do you want to continue? So if you want to continue, please type yes. If you don't want to continue, please type no. Like this I am asking the user. Sir, if the answer which user has given, okay, otherwise better to take this one as so answer. If your answer is double equal to, if your answer is double equal to no, then what we have to do, break the program. That's all. It will come out from the while loop. It will come out from the while loop. So you can perform this addition operation any number of times until you press no. It will keep on working, sir. Let me cross check, is this program is working or not. Sir, first time it is asking enter A value 10, enter B value 20, addition is 30. Do you want to continue? Yes. Then again it will ask enter A value 11, enter B value 22, 33 is the result. Do you want to continue? Yes. Sir, I am giving 85 and then 11, 96. Do you want to continue? Sorry, I don't want to continue. Then the program is terminated. Okay. Sir, easy. It is another version by taking the dynamic data from the user, how you can able to work. Sir, is this third version of this program? Is it clear for you people? Please confirm. Everyone have to respond, sir. Yes, especially who asked this doubt. Venkateshwarlu. Is it clear? Is it your requirement? Yes. Right. And sir, if you are not getting bored, I will go with another version of this program, sir. Okay, where I need to take the data from the user, same application. Okay, I want to write that information into the file with the name addition.txt file. Sir, can I do that program? Can I do that program? Yes. So don't worry, these are demo sessions only. Anyway, just to try to understand the concept how Sar is explaining. Okay, but in detail, syntactically, we can do that. Okay. So let me go with the fourth version. Sir, the program is the same. Here, what I am going to do is I am opening a file. So addition.txt I am taking in append mode. I am opening. That's all. I have opened a file. At last, we are going to close the file. Sir, whatever result that you got, okay, whatever result you got by calling this addition, sir, instead of printing, I will return the result. So here I am going to capture the result. That's all. Try to identify my terminology. Sir, I am not printing here. So add function will take two numbers. It performs addition operation. It will return that result. I am capturing that result in C. So in A, we have first number. In B, we have second number. In C, we have third number is there. Now I am preparing one result. Result is equal to, in formatted string I am taking. Sir, your first input is nothing but A, comma, your second input is nothing but B, and sir, output of my program is nothing but C. Don't confuse with these terminologies. Slowly you will get it. Sir, this entire result I want to write on the screen. Okay, so how you can able to write? Can you please print on the screen? At the same time, can you please write to the file also? /n means new line character. Forget about that. So in this statement, I am writing the result to the console. That means screen. In this case, so I am writing, okay, I am writing the results to the file. That's all. If you want, you can write the program to write into database also. Okay, sir, this is nothing but how the program is going to work. What is the plus after the result? Because this result, if you are not taking this plus, what will happen, I will show you. Okay, now let us execute. Sir, what is f in fourth line? This fourth line is going to be substituted like this. Somewhere in yesterday I have explained this. Suppose if your a value is equal to 10, b value is equal to 20, c value we got 30. So at the time of execution, so what it is going to take, it will replace this bracket with a 10, it will replace this bracket with a 20, it will replace, it will substitute the value with c, like that. This is called as a substitution. Okay, formatted string, don't worry, we will discuss later about that. Clear? Yeah, don't worry, please concentrate on the logic. So internally, everything we are going to cover in programming. It is not a fourth class or fifth class like that. We are not covering anything related to the file. We are not concentrating anything on the program, I mean functional programming. We are not concentrating on a looping statement. We are not concentrating on files, everything. Just we are working a small application, how easy Python is, that's all. So let us run the program. Enter a value 10, enter b value 20. Yes, I want to continue. Enter a value, sir, 30, enter b value 40. Yes, I want to continue. Enter a value 50, enter b value 60. No, I don't want to continue. Sir, is that information is printed on the output screen or not? Yes. Is the same information is there in the file? Let me cross check. Addition dot txt file, right? Oh, we got two files. Which one is text file? Yeah, this is the text 11:47. Yeah, 6:35 p.m. I think this one. Yeah, you can see. So we are not getting line by line because of this slash n. See, it will print this data. In Python, print function internally contains slash n. That's why it is coming line by line. But while writing in the file, it won't take new line. That's why you have to take new line manually. We are adding this new line character manually so that it will write line by line, sir. Okay, sir, I am deleting that addition.txt file as of now. The person who asked this doubt, I think you got the clarity. Where is that addition? Yes, let me remove this file. Okay, now let us execute. So I am giving first number as a 1, 2. Yes, I want to continue. Sir, 5, 8. Yes, I want to continue. 10, 20. Yes, I want to continue. Triple 1, triple 2. No, I don't want to continue. Sir, now open that addition.txt file. Sir, is the information is available? I think previous data is not deleted. 1 minute. I will delete the previous data. Now I will execute one more time. So 1, 2, yes, I want to continue. So 5, 6, yes, I want to continue. 8, 9. So yes, I want to continue. So triple 1, triple 2. Sorry, I don't want to continue. Now you can see addition.txt file I am opening. Have you observed? So like this we can work, sir. To store the data permanently, I have went for this fourth version. Sir, please confirm, is this small application in different approaches? Is it clear for you? Please confirm. Is it clear up to this? Everyone, please respond. If you are having any queries, please, you can ask. Everyone, please respond. Clear? Right. Right, sir. So now I am directly entering into, okay, so one of our theory concept, like I want to define the word called program. Can anyone define what is the definition of program? Please confirm. Anyone, can you please confirm? So what is a general definition of a program? Yes, you can type it on chat window, or else you can unmute and you can please. To write an algorithm to perform a specific task. Very good. Still any other? A bunch of logic operations to achieve some task. Very good. Okay, maybe. Yeah, sequential operation. Yeah, not sequential, but your answer is also correct. Not every time sequential. Set of instructions to perform any task. Very good. That instruction word is very, very important. Yeah, everyone is giving the correct answers. Yes, right. Sir, if you take any programming language, forget about programming language. Suppose in general, so if you want to assign a task to a person, so what you are going to do? For example, assume I want to do some three activities. As of now, I want to appoint some person to do these three activities, and I called one student or I called one person, and I am giving these instructions to this particular candidate. So what is the first instruction? So go to bank and deposit 10,000 rupees amount. This is the first task. After completion of this, just give a send a acknowledgement to me stating that that amount is credited into your account. Then second task, so go to the supermarket and get this particular item. Get this particular item. So 1 kg some sugar, something like that. Okay. So this is the second task. After getting this, just submit this in my home and then give acknowledgement. So what is the third task? At the time of coming, just to bring so one mouse. Okay, one mouse in the electronics shop. Can you please get one mouse? So which is the cost will be around less than 500, and it should be working properly. Okay, a company mouse you need to get. Like this, I have given the instructions for this person. Definitely this person is going to do all these activities either sequentially or randomly also he can perform. Assume while going, so in front of the bank, if any electronic device shop is there, he will get the mouse. Okay, so and he is going to credit the amount and he will go to the supermarket and he is going to bring. So based on his brain thinking, so he is going to give the priorities of this task. Of course it is completely dependent on this person, forget about that. So here we have to concentrate, we are giving some kind of instructions very clearly for this person, so that this person is going to follow the rules and regulations whatever you have given. In the same way, a mission is an ideal device, sir. It won't do any task. Suppose if you are keeping your mobile inside it, on the table, and if you are asking, can you please call to some other person, then immediately it won't respond. Okay, of course if you are using any voice control, then it may work. But assume a small phone is there without any voice assistant, so you can't make a call directly, sir. We need to open, we have to unlock the first mobile phone, and then you need to select the dial button. In that you have to search for a name or number, and finally you need to select from which sim you want to call, and finally that call will be connected. So these set of instructions you have to work on mobile phone if you want to maintain, if you want to make a call. In the same way, if you want to work with mission also, compulsory we have to write some set of instructions. So the definition of this program is nothing but set of instructions to complete a particular task. A particular task is called as a program. Okay, sir, then there is one programming language term is there. Programming language means what? So based on what kind of rules, okay, based on which language rules or which format we are writing program. Okay, suppose you can see, if I want to perform addition of two numbers, sir, we have C language is there, and same program you can implement in C++. Okay, in C++ we can write functions, and in C++ we can write object oriented, and even, sir, in Java also we can write the code by using object oriented. Sir, in Python also we can write by using scripting. Okay, in Python we can use functional programming, in Python we can use object oriented. Like this we have multiple options will be there on your hand, but which is suggestible for you? Because you can see in Python we have user friendly environment is there, but Python, strictly speaking, it won't provide that much security, sir. So only easiness will be there, and ready made methods will be there. Okay, that is the only benefit that you are going to get with the help of Python. But ready made method support up to certain limit you can enjoy, but if you want to learn how internally it is going to work, compulsory we have to learn the actual coding. Okay, of course, as of now we are not in these domains, we are learning this Python. That's why we have to give high priority for Python. In this, the programming language which I will select is, so Python scripting language, because the program is very easy, right? Addition of two numbers. Suppose if you want to perform that addition results into the database, or if I want to store that result into a file, then we can go for functional or object oriented, something like that. Functional we can choose to store it in files. So when we can go for object oriented, now you can see, if I want to write the data in SQL database, so which is located at Hyderabad, or which is located at some Bangalore. The server is located at Bangalore. I need to establish connection with that server, and from my hometown I want to write the program. I mean, I need to execute the program. The result should be stored in Bangalore server. Then of course we should not write scripting, because we can write in scripting also, but SQL database is most powerful database. For purchasing this we required some lakhs of amount. So in that database we are going to create some internal databases, internal tables will be there. So if you want to touch this, high security must be required. Simply if you write script, anyone can understand, anyone can read. It is a open platform. Small programs we can write, not big. In the functional programming also we don't have any security for the data. Here you can see, suppose this small program is there, right? Yeah, sir, we have this small program is there. Sir, after these two lines I am giving a is equal to 420, b is equal to 420. Now let us execute this program. What output we can get? Have a look once. Sir, I am giving 10, I am giving 20. Sir, is my expected output is 30, but what output we are getting? So different output. What is the meaning of this? So someone has misplaced your instructions, someone is performing some kind of hacking. Okay, so this kind of activity you can't perform by using object oriented. High security layers will be there, then you can choose. Oops. So programming language is going to be decided in such a way that what kind of application you are preparing. Based on that we have to choose the programming language. Anyway, the first priority should be given for Java, the second priority will be given for Python. Luckily here we are learning Python, so even Java is also a kind of good programming language only. But anyway, these two are present trending programming languages, and we have to give importance for Python because we are learning that course, right? That's why. So this is nothing but what is mean by programming language. It is a language depending on your requirement you have to choose. Okay, language means what? It is a communication medium. Whatever instructions you are giving, it is going to follow. So in the same way I explained, right? I'm going to give instructions for my attender to perform certain activities. In the same way you are giving instructions to your mission to perform so and so activities. So that is called as programming language. Program means set of instructions. Programming language means, so it is a rules and regulations of a programming, I mean language, which we can use to develop your program. We have n number of programming languages are there. Based on your requirement, you can select different types of languages. So please confirm, have you got some idea about this programming language and program all these things? At least some idea, clear? Yes. So yeah, so I don't want to cover any more theory topics. Just I will go with two examples and then I will wind up this session. So what is a program is, write a Python program. Okay, write a Python program to read name of the user, to read name of the user, and uh, convert convert sir each lower case into uppercase character, and vice versa. Means what? In your string, if any uppercase character is there, you need to convert it to lowercase. For example, consider like this I have. So what is the output? P should be converted into small letter, R should be converted into capital letter, A should be converted into small letter, K should be converted into capital letter, A should be converted into small, S should be converted into capital, H should be converted into small. Like this we have to do. This is our task, sir. For this we have two versions are there. I will explain both the versions. You have to tell which version is easy for us. So based on that, we will select which programming language is easy. Can you please confirm? Shall we start this program? Is the programming concept? I think it is very clear for you. Yes. Sir, now I want to read a name from the user. Let us take S is equal to input. We are reading a name. Otherwise, let us ask enter name. Enter your good name. Something like we are reading the data politely. Then I am taking double S. Double S means it is a result, sir. It is a result. Sir, for each character I in S. Okay. So this loop is going to select, suppose if your given input is ABC, first it will select I is equal to A. Oh, we need to check A and we have to do certain operation. Next time the value of I will become B. We need to do certain task. Next time the value of I is C. We need to perform certain task. That means for each I in S means what? It will select one character from the string. If that character I dot is upper, suppose if it is an uppercase, we will do certain activities. If I dot is lower, if it is in lower case, we will perform some activity. At last I am going to print the result. Sir, instead of that I will take so original string is equal to this one, then updated or modified string is equal to this one. Otherwise, original name is equal to this one, updated name is equal to this one. Sir, what activity we are doing? I think these two functions are clear for you. I dot is upper means whether it is in uppercase or not, it will check. If it is in uppercase, we have to convert it to lowercase, right? Now I am taking I dot lower. Whatever result you are getting, I am storing that result to string. And if the data is in lower case, I will convert it into uppercase. That's all. So I will explain the flow of execution, how it is going to come, but before that let me execute the code. So enter your good name. Sir, I am giving Prakash, like this. Sir, is Original string is this one, sir. Updated string is this one, sir. How this happen? Let me explain with the help of a small diagram. This is the program what you have written, and this is the output what we got. Sir, now please have a look once. So consider the name which I have given is small a, capital B, small d, small c, capital D, like this. This is the string. Sir, initially SS is equal to empty. SS means an empty string is there. So for each I in S, first time, so I value is equal to A. Sir, is it uppercase? No. Then it will check this condition. Is it lowercase? Yes. If it is lowercase, please convert it into uppercase and then add it to S. In the S, initially empty is there. No string is there here. Empty content is there. For this, if you add a capital A, what happens? The string will become capital A. Then next time I value will become capital B. Is it in uppercase? Yes. So convert it into lowercase. So after this, add this B. Already A is there. Then it will become AB because we are adding to the previous result. So then I will become small c. So is it in uppercase? No. Is it in lowercase? Yes. So convert it into uppercase and add. So AB capital C. So then what is the next character? Capital D. So convert it into, sorry, is it in uppercase? Yes. Convert it into lowercase. Then we have to add. So A, B, sir, C, small d. So for next value, sir, all the characters got completed. This for loop is going to fail. Sir, original string is nothing but small a, capital B, small c, capital D. Updated string is nothing but SS. What is the content in SS? Capital A, small b, capital C, small d. Sir, this is nothing but how this program is going to work. Can you please confirm, is the first version, is it clear for you people? Is the first version, is it clear for you people? I request everyone to please confirm. Right. So coming to the second version, sir, these many lines of code you have taken. So this for loop is not required. Simply you can take like this, sir. SS is equal to, so S dot swap case. There is one special function, predefined function is there in Python. What is that one? Swap case. What will happen? Swap case means it will convert lowercase characters into uppercase characters, uppercase characters into lowercase. Let me give F. Okay. So F R I D A Y. Like this, I have given mixed mode characters. Is the lowercase characters converted into uppercase and uppercase characters are converted into lowercase or not? Yes. This is nothing but a second version. So you have to tell which one is correct, first version or second version. Which one is easy? From that you can decide whether Python is easy or not. Yes, but you should know how internally it is going to work. That is also very, very important. Okay. Right, sir. So this is the way how you can able to work with this basic fundamentals, sir. Okay, sir. Tomorrow there is no class. Okay, day after tomorrow also there is no class, and the next class will be on Monday, sir. On Monday we are going to talk one or two theory topics, like maybe I am going to cover the topics are nothing but Python installation. At very beginning we will talk about the Python installation process. Then so commands used to, commands, list of commands used in, so Python execution, what commands we are going to use. So next and after that we may cover one or two programs. Okay, so after that I'm going to talk about keywords which are available, and identifiers which are available, and how you can able to prepare comments. Then we will cover two more example programs, and then we are going to talk about in detail. So compiler and interpreter, we are going to talk about these things, and we will discuss about the difference between these two also. So next and after that, example program on, so compiler and interpreter, how the work is going to be happen also we are going to discuss. This is nothing but our next class agenda. Okay, so that's all about today's session. So if you are having any queries, please let me know.